Hey travelers, how you doing? Back roads and highways. I don't know if this is a creek. We got some serious rain the past few days, but I thought this was cool. There's a lot of pressure coming out of this pipe. Yeah, the road's flooded a little bit on down the road. I bet that's a deep hole. I thought that was pretty cool. Oh wow. Water must have, pressure of it broke the but that'd kill you if you fell in there. That'd drown you. That'd shove you all the way to the bottom. Gotta love the power of nature. Yeah, most of this land around here is old coal land that they've turned into like fish and wildlife areas. Yeah, I was just up at this little cemetery, so coming out I thought I'd see this little water hole here that's gushing. Well, keep traveling, travelers. Peace out.